Malakas ng uran. Magandang signs to. Prosperity. Plentitude. Di ba? Siyempre, hindi po ito kasama sa programa ngayon. Pero, tinignan ni ABC yung diagram ng proyekto kanina. Tinignan niya, maganda yung convention center. Pero, luoy tayo ang dating Leyte Park. So, sana naman, bago bumaba ako bilang representante ng Primerong Distrito, siguro magkakaroon tayo ng 5-star hotel dito, katabi ng convention center. Para sikat talagang Tacloban. Pag ganun di mas madalas bumisita si Ma'am Janet, si Sir JD at si Joboy sa atin dito kasi maayos. Thank you. Pero sa totoo lang, my friends in Congress, we really love you because it is a homecoming for you. You are always most welcome here. And another congressman from Southern Leyte, Congressman Bombo. Thank you for being here. Thank you. The structure that we endeavor to build this afternoon is not only a reflection of the rich culture of Leyte, but a testament to how far Taclobanons have come, as well as to the bright prospects of the entire Visayas region. Parang higit ng isang dekada na lumipas ang Yolanda, sino man makakaalam na magkakaroon tayo ng napakagandang world-class na convention center pagkatapos ng Yolanda. Palakpakan po natin mga Taclobanon. Nakatindog tayo. Talagang magaling talaga mga Tacloban. The best talaga. Our comeback from Super Typhoon Yolanda demonstrates the innate fortitude and determination of every Taclobanon to rise over our setbacks, wiser and stronger. Through everyone's effort, and I mean everyone, hindi lang ating mga Tacloban. Kaya sa totoo lang po, lahat po, ang mga kongresista sa House, tumulong din sa atin. That's why I'm very honored and deeply grateful that the structure will be built and will bear the name of my father, the late Governor Benjamin Romualdez, who dedicated over 2 decades of his life to the establishment and strengthening of connections between our people and those beyond our shores. The Bricc, therefore, is a fitting tribute to my father and his life's work, the promotion of productive engagements, meaningful interactions, sharing ideas and experiences to build lasting relations and community. Tamang salamat for this warm gesture of recognition. Pero, RD, yung yung Bricc, dapat i-maximize natin yung capacity, Balikan natin yung detailed engineering so we can maximize the capacity kasi tama yung sinasabi ni ABC. Lahat ng mga pumupunta dito sa Tacloban naghanap ng capacity talaga. Kung i-maximize natin dito kung pwede up to 5,000 na capacity, I think we will attract more. Lalo na we will also we're planning to build a world-class hotel here to accommodate and to service the needs of the convention center. Let this Benjamin Romualdez International Convention Center be a platform for building connections, a showcase of the wealth of experiences the region has to offer to the country and to the world, a monument to the world-class efforts of every hard-working and forward-looking Tacloban. My fellow Taclobanos, I am very, very proud of you. I am so humbled that you have allowed me to serve you, and it is my only wish to work harder for all of you and to make sure that our dreams come true. Maraming salamat. Padayon.